Good morning. Welcome to our pre-market briefing, where we are going over all the picture around the world. So today, Monday, February 28, 2022, 6:30 a.m. Hope to find you all well and getting ready for a new day, new week, and actually the end of the month. 2 months gone this year, so start thinking on your year resolutions. So basically, 2 months gone, so we have 10 months left to do all the things that you would be looking to do this year. So starting with the overall picture, the Russia and Ukraine situation escalates some more during the weekend. We have some more news, some more attempts for Russia and Ukraine's to meet and maybe do something to stop this. We had some more sanctions escalation, and we also have the Russian central bank that raised the interest rates to 20%. So the action all over the world getting tricky, and we are seeing this morning the US futures down between 1.3 and 1.4%, and we also seeing the DAX down more than 2% this morning. Volatility, of course, spikes, and all of risk right now and uncertainty bringing this kind of volatility. But let's look into the charts, see where we stand right now and where can we go from here. So starting with Nasdaq, Nasdaq has been a leader either up or down. Let's try to focus on this one. Right now on the pre-market session, yesterday night it gapped down, but basically big bounce from yesterday lows. So for now, also from a very important support level that's coming from all the way here, okay, all the way here. So we are right now holding this level. So this level that you are seeing right now around here is a big level for the week. So for now, I will keep this as my key support for the day and also for the week. If this holds, we can hold the last week oversold bounce. So basically, on Thursday we have a big oversold bounce, 2 days bounce. For a very nice movement. Now we want to see if that was only a dead cat bounce or if we are going to have a follow-through continuation. I prefer to play price and watching for the pre-market action. We are off the pre-morning lows. So for now, this will be my support, and 14K will be my resistance. So we need above 14K to try to go above Friday highs. But the trigger for the longs will be above Friday highs, okay, to try to go all the way into the 21-day moving average around 400 points above 14K. So something to keep on watch. That's one of the possible scenarios. But if the market roll over below these overnight lows, then we can have a big pullback, at least giving back half of the percent of the move, so we can stop here. But it will be very bearish if we reverse back down and give it basically all the move from Thursday and Friday bounce from the lows. But staying open-minded here, not trying to catch a knife. Market is very volatile, and one of the things that I've been saying is no time to be on euro, okay? So follow price, respect price, and respect risk management. Talking about Nasdaq needs leaders, okay? So one of the names that I'll be looking at will be Apple. Why? Because on Friday, on Thursday, we have out of the gate, they bought the dip with two hands, more than 8 million shares in 5 minutes, in first 5 minutes of Thursday. So they bought the dip very heavily. We have nice bounce from 152 all the way into 165. Right now on the pre-market session, fading a bit, 162, but not falling apart. So I want to see if 162 is able to hold for a red to green move. Above 165, we have 165.8, the 8-day moving average, and above that 168 as the next logical level, okay? Otherwise, we can try to play the range here, okay? That's the other possible scenarios. The scenario that will be very bearish and basically to give it all back is below Friday lows. In my opinion, 160 is a very important support. If it gives back, I'll be looking for a possible pullback further, but once again trying to keep here as a possible continuation or consolidation, at least from Thursday and Friday move that it was very, very big. AMD actually also outperformed last week. Nice bounce from the lows, very nice buying pressure from 104. Okay, after feeling the gap here from 105, very nice bounce. Today's bounce. I want to see if semis are going to have follow-through continuation. So what we need right now at 118 on the pre-market needs to hold above, in my opinion, for the bull case continuation, needs to hold above 116. Try to go from red to green above 121.20, okay, and above that, looking for a possible resolution all the way into 125, $130 as possible targets. That's for continuation from the last week bounce, end of the day bounce. But if we roll over below 116, then my first support all the way into 110 and below that 104, 105 as a possible key support levels to keep on watch. Okay, so semis will be on focus also with the NVDA, very nice bounce, exactly same thing as AMD, needs to hold above Friday lows 238. 233.81 right now, holding on the pre-market session at 236, needs to hold above 233 for red to green move above 242, can try to bounce, and the next logical level around 245 as the 21-day moving average. If it breaks below Friday lows, then can get very ugly, and possible next support all the way into 222, 223 as a possible support level. So also to keep on watch. Qualcomm also on watch this week. Gave a very nice bounce, kind of a double bottom here around 155, 156. Nice 2-day bounce. Now I want to see if it's able to break above 172 to try to go all the way into 178, 180. Okay, so Qualcomm also on watch this week. Facebook tried to bounce a little bit from very oversold readings at 190, closed the week at 210. I want to see if it's able to hold. Nice 2 days moves, trying to break above the 8-day moving average. Has been broken. Let's see if it gives some more oversold bounce that we are seeing right now. So I will be watching if it's able right now at 207. If it holds above 207, looking for a possible red to green move. Above 211, we can extend some more all the way into 220. So something to keep on watch. If it breaks below 203, watch out, it resumes lower. Okay, back below $200, we have first day lows at 190 as key support. With all this thing and action on the Russia, central banks raising the interest rates 20%, I'll be looking for JP Morgan also and the financials. So JP Morgan had a nice bounce. Right now fading a bit at 144, okay, and I want to see if they will be able to hold 144, okay. If yes, we can try here some consolidation, but if we break down below 144, I'll be looking back last week lows at 139, 140. So also to see how the flows go into the financials. Also with the airlines on focus, all the tension between Russia and Ukraine, seeing the impact here on Boeing. Boeing has a gap to fill at 198, okay, 198.8 right now, around $200 on the pre-market. If it breaks below $200, looking to fill this gap at 198, see where it's going to stall. If it's going to stop at 195, if it rollovers, can go all the way into 190, okay? Bull case is above Friday highs, above 204. We have 207 next level and the gap to fill at 208. So let's see with what will be the first gap to fill. In my opinion, it should fill the Friday gap at 198.8, but let's wait to see how the market opens. The cubes, of course, it will be a focus. Had nice big bounce from Thursday, reversal buy, and what I want to see if he's able to give a continuation or some consolidation here. Right now, actually showing some relative strength at 341 on the pre-market session. above 337. That will be my line in the sand, 337. Okay. Above that, looking for a possible red to green move above 345, 346, looking for possible stall all the way into 350, 351 as a possible targets. Some consolidation also possible, okay, but it will be very bearish if it gives back below Friday lows, below 337. We can go back below 330 for giving back half of the move from last week. So stay also on your foot. SPY also, of course, on focus. It was a big, huge range from the Thursday bounce, 410 all the way to 437. Actually, also the move on Friday, big range, $10 range here from 427, 437. Right now, not giving much, 431, still holding above Friday lows, but below the 8-day moving average. So what I want to see first, if 431 holds, okay, looking for a possible attempt to go above 434.68, that's the 8-day moving average, and from there we have Friday highs, and above that 440, 441. That's one of the possible scenarios. But if it breaks down below 431, okay, that can get ugly, and looking for Friday lows, 427.8. And if we go below that, then we can get very ugly, very bearish, and roll over. But once again, market not falling apart this morning, so I want to see how it's going to give follow-through continuation. Square, big relative strength also on gap and go on Friday. I want to see if it's able to hold. Right now holding above Friday low so far, so I want to see if it keeps holding 116 as we are seeing on the pre-market. If it's able to go from red to green above 127, $120.7, and if it can run some more all the way next big supply zone all the way into $130. Let's see if it's able to do it. Otherwise, my support line, it will be Friday lows 109. Bearish below 109 for a possible gap filling in 96, so also to keep on watch. Tesla, it will be a focus. Why? Because same thing as Apple, we saw on Thursday, big buy pressure out of the gate, more than 2 million shares bought in 5 minutes, first 5 minutes on Thursday from $700, gave it all the way into 819, so $120 bounce from the lows to the highs of the week. Closed with some indecision, okay, kind of a doji. I want to see if it's able to hold $800. If it holds $800, looking for a red to green move all the way above Friday highs and going into the next level, 833. Otherwise, if it gives back $800, below $800, I have 782, the Friday lows, and below that can get ugly all the way into 760. That will be my key support. Of course, with all that, I'll be looking for volatility. Okay, volatility. We sold volatility on Thursday. We got puts 26 on volatility on VXX on Thursday. Closed a little bit too soon on Thursday, but because it gave a nice continuation all the way into Friday. I want to see how volatility handles right now. It's green this morning, but not big green. Okay, so volatility, there is not much fear right now. I'll be looking for volatility right now around 25. I want to see if 25 on VXX holds and try to resume back into 27. Otherwise, below 25, looking for rollover once again and looking back for a move back into 22. There is one of the things that I'll be looking, okay, if this Russia and Ukraine situation will trigger end of the mount, okay, rebalancing sell-off, okay. So also be very careful. We are on the last day of the mount. We can have some rebalancing and not sure how the big money will play out into the end of the mount. So be very careful with all these kind of actions. So with this said, time to go. Keep it on your watch. Thank you for watching. If you still didn't follow, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we are going to have more content in the next couple of days. Also on Monday, from Monday to Friday, before the market open, we will have these pre-market briefs, and we will be looking to have more content to the channel. Okay, so if you are on the team, you can also see more information on the description below on this video. But if you are on the team, stay tuned. 9 a.m. live trading on Discord, and hope to see you there at 9, getting ready from 9 to 12 on the live trading, and giving some more updates during the day. Okay, so thank you all for watching. Stay safe, stay soon, and all have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.